No, I got
You.
I don't know.
Okay, wait. You need to read the size of the box first. That's from whom?
The other side, Chad.
to me. And from you, and from you, and from you.
Mm-hmm.
This is happy birthday.
Okay, well, let's put this away first. Oh, Barnes and Noble. What's wrong?
No, because she's like, you was like, let's do this first.
She's like wants to open it.
It's a piece of cake.
Oh my god, you scared me.
What if it was a cricket?
Crickets are fun.
It's a piece of paper.
You need to read it.
It's just a piece
It's a
of paper.
letter from you.
It's a
From
letter.
Santa.
You, so you can do well in the school or otherwise.
Read it, Charlie.
What does it say?
What does it say?
Jesus Christ.
Oh, what is it? It's all
I was legitimately gonna cry.
What does it say?
Oh my god.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do your parents know?
No, a ver, ¿qué
What
dice
does it
pues?
say,
Tu
Santa Claus?
abuelito y tu abuelita no
Mom
saben.
is literally my side.
No. Pero tu abuelito y tu abuelita no saben qué son.
She don't know how to
I
explain
don't
it.
know.
Show your abuelo. He can-
¿Qué son pues?
Yeah!
¿Qué son?
I think-
I'm freaking boss right now.
¿Qué son?
We're
Decirle a tu
gonna take us
abuelita.
through 5 seconds of summer stuff. Yeah!
Son tickets para un concierto.
That's the best.
Yeah,
¿Te enseñas a tu abuelo?
Okay. Never mind.
it's just an email.
They're mine though.